Amr. Amr are often commonly seen in embroidery work, painting, jewelry and design. Some designs are there. Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district is famous for its Kesar mangoes worldwide. The quality of land ecology are suitable for growing mangoes. Talala can be called the capital of Kesar mangoes. This is called Amba Wadi. They are lifeline of this region. You must heard this a mango tree initially bear flowers in the season of spring. After that bears mangoes. Mangoes are pegged from the trees and peeled on the ground. Then they are segregated and packed in different boxes as per their quality. These boxes are sent to the market yard. Here one question is that bring similar number of mangoes box as number of students in the class. Each box must contain 18 mangoes. If all the students will be open the boxes and pile the mangoes in a single heap, what will be the total number of mangoes in that heap? How many heap of 10 mangoes each can be made from the big heap? Now let we solve. Number of students are 20. Each box contain mangoes is equals to 18. Let we continue the find the number of total boxes is equals to 20 into 18 is equals to 360. In single group of 10 mangoes is equals to 360 divided by 10 is equals to 36. Do one practice of that. If a farmer picks mangoes from one tree during this season, which can fill 18 boxes of 12 kg in a quantity each, make an estimate of the how many kg and how many boxes full of mangoes the farmer would have picked up from all mango tree of the orchard. Do yourself how many kilogram do you weight? What is the approximate total weight of 12 students like you together? Look at the pictures of mangoes given below. Mango looks more beautiful with its leaves. Try to draw similar pictures of mangoes as given below. Do you know India produces approximately 1 crore 60 lakh tons mangoes every year. India is the biggest producer of the mangoes in the world. Uttar Pradesh does the largest production of mangoes in India. What do you know about the biggest mango? Yes, the biggest mango weighing 3 kg 435 gram was displayed in Philippines. Let's do a one activity. Jancy has made pictures of mango in different shapes. Draw different shapes of mangoes like that. When you go to the market to buy mangoes, don't get confused to see so many different type of mangoes. Search yourself in the market for the following type of mangoes. Buy whichever type of mango you like and enjoy it. Now draw these mangoes on card paper of different shapes. Show your parents. First number, Hafuz Alfonso. Kesar, Totapuri, Langdu, Dasari, Badam. Which type of mango from the above given varieties have you tasted? How many you have seen a mango orchard? Where you have seen it? Have you seen it in real or on TV? Are the mango trees tall and strong or short and weak? Write down in your notebook. Do you know how to climb on a tree? Are you afraid of climbing on a tall tree? Write in your words. Imagine that you have come to a mango orchard with a farmer. The leaves of the trees are making rustling sound in the gentle breeze. A cooing sound is heard from up the mango tree. The mangoes on trees are swinging on branches because of the breeze. The farmer starts his work in dark in early morning. Some farmers go to their field in bullock carts. The farmers growing mangoes face a difficult time when the strong wind is blowing. We cannot go far in a bullock cart because a bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 km in an hour. Let me solve this sum. How much time will it take to cover the distance of 10 km? Children, you are aware if bullock cart can cover in 4 km in 1 hour. So in 1 km is equals to 1 upon 4 hour. It means we have to find 10 km is equals to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 10 is equals to 10 upon 4. Let me solve it in mixed fraction 2 hour 50 minutes. Next question is that how much distance do you cover in an hour by walking fast? Do yourself. One activity. Look at the sun and find out direction of its rising. Stand whenever you are. Which interesting things do you find in your east? Write name of any two things situated in your west direction. One more activity we can do. Draw the sketches following vehicles. Nowadays, the producer of mango are very happy because this occupation is developed at a national and international level. Our mangoes are exported to different states of our country and also to the foreign countries. Transportation of mango in a huge quantity is carried out of truck and by airplane. It is a matter of concern of our environment, the health that the use of fertilizer and the pesticides have increased in mango orchard. Present, many farmers grow mangoes by organic method without using chemical and keep our health as well as their land. Some people buy raw mangoes, get them ripened at their own home using dry glass, jute, sacks, onion, paper or grain and enjoy them. Many types of mangoes are extinct since many years earlier. Huge native Desi yam trees were more in numbers. Commonly, 3-4 mango trees were seen in each farm. Nowadays, farmers are growing grafted mangoes only. Native mangoes trees are about the extent. If there are no mango tree, where will we hear cooing of cuckoos? How will we enjoy mangoes by the climbing on mango tree like our grandfathers when they were kids? In next video, we will solve some exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.